How to block someone on Bigo Live application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily block someone on Bigo Live application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the application in your device and then after navigate to the person's profile whom you want to block on this application. Then after, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then you will see a little menu which includes the option of block. Simply choose that option. After that, to confirm that you want to block this person from your account, simply again click on block. And there you have it. That's it. That is how easily you can block someone on Bigo application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.